especially Owen O'Gormalia, agus the main show har Cion Coistia Féile na Gligany Gorma. So my name's Owen O'Gormalia and I'm from the Bluebell festival that was launched a few days ago, and we're here at the top of the White Rack with our annual and regular free breakfast programme. Bricfeasta is Gaelach, as you would call it in Irish, and it's very much a Black Panther inspired community breakfast. And in that sense, we're giving out food, we're spreading a bit of life around, like people are going to work or people are going to school. And obviously, as part of the festival, our motto is community, solidarity and wellbeing, and that's exactly why we're here. This was organised, the breakfast was organised along with the festival when it was started back in 2017. And people back then felt that people's heads were down in the area. It was a very tough time in terms of austerity and cuts and increasing poverty, increasing kind of mental health crisis, and we're still seeing that. And this isn't some sort of overnight, solution to this, but it's spreading a bit of joy, a bit of hope in the area, and it's also getting people involved in the festival. We're spreading political education and talking about why there's hunger in these areas, so that's why it's Black Panther inspired. They did the same. They didn't just fill in where the state was falling behind in terms of hunger. They were actually bringing people in and building a community and asking why is there hunger in our areas, and that's exactly what we're doing. And we'll be here today on top of the White Rack, we'll be here on Tuesday at Britain's Parade, and on Thursday in Turf Lodge. And I'd just like to thank Lena's and Brandy there, who's been helping us with that, and New Hill and Glornamona, who've been getting the sausage paps, who've been getting the fruit and the waters and the juices. And just like to thank everyone for joining us as well. We've already been seeing hundreds of people coming through, kids going to school and people going to work, and it's always a great event, and it's always great to see people join us.